guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have a pretty awesome Hot Wheel RLC. We have the Magnus Walker Porsche 964. This just came out and it's finished in this beautiful green. And I just absolutely love this. But before we open that, we are also going to be checking out the previous one that came out. It did come out in black before. And this one's pretty rare. It even has the sticker out of 10,000 units. So we're going to be checking out both of those, do a little side-by-side comparison, and let's go ahead and pop this out of the protector. And wow, this looks really good here. It's finished in a very beautiful green. I don't know if you can see the little brown stripes there up on the hood, and that looks absolutely amazing. I really like that green there. It looks amazing. Also, the bronze wheels look really cool too. Kind of like that old school style as well. And I don't know if you could really tell, but the rear engine kind of bay, the little wing thing actually lifts up. And I really kind of wish it would be able to be displayed kind of with that open. But I do think it looks pretty clean with it like all closed up, kind of how it is. But wow, that looks absolutely incredible. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car, because this right here is one of my favorites. I think it looks really, really good, especially being like the Magnus Walker. See that right there? And wow, that is such a beautiful car. But let's go ahead, set it right here. And we're going to go ahead and bust open the previous one that came out, which came out in black. And this one looks really good as well. Has the same exact wheels there, which I'm really glad they kept those wheels. And it's just all sleek black with that red interior, which looks really, really good. But let's go ahead and put the two kind of side by side so we can kind of see better comparison of that. Wow. Which one do you guys think looks better? I mean, honestly, I kind of like the green one because it just kind of gives it more color, more pop, and I just think it looks really, really good. I mean, the black one still looks super nice, but that green one is really, really gorgeous. But then also, did point that out. So they used to have the sticker right up here. So this is actually 5,337 out of 10,000. And recently I noticed that they stopped doing that. So these don't have a sticker up at the top. That sticker, like the holographic one, is for authenticity. It has like the little Porsche logo there. But yeah, like RLC cars for 2023, I don't know if they stopped doing it during 2023 or if it was the end of last year that I saw one last. But I just noticed that they just stopped putting it on there. So I don't know if they're just like making even more of them. I know like the last ones that they did do it on were out of 30,000, so I don't know if they're just bumping numbers up and they just don't want to really disclose that, so they just don't put the little sticker on, because that right there will kind of show you exactly how many were made of that car. But who knows? These did sell out pretty quick, so I would assume that it was still pretty limited, but it's just kind of interesting that they don't put the sticker on the back anymore. But also, I don't know if I really showed you that, you can see the car through the little back window as well, which is a really cool touch. And then it even has like the little stripe down on the side, and it says Porsche there. And then it has a little Magnus Walker logo like right below the mirror. So this is such a nice car. I really like this Porsche. It even has like the louvered front fenders. I don't know if you guys can really see that there. Little vents right there. There you go. Man, that is such a clean car. But if you guys do not know, or if you guys haven't seen it yet, I do actually have a merch store. So there's going to be a link down in the description down below. I actually do have a bunch of Hot Wheel mainlines, premiums, RLC cars, as well as monster trucks. And I do have some pretty awesome RLCs from a little ways back. So if you have missed out on some, I do have some available. I also have some like other collectible stuff on there. And then I even have like stuff from my main channel, such as like keychains, water bottles, stuff like that. So definitely go check it out, the link in the description down below. But if you guys like this video and like this Porsche, definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think. But also hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this because I have a lot more to come. Also, case unboxings coming all the time. And every time a new case of like mainline cars comes out, I always pick one of those up. So definitely stay tuned. Subscribe to that because you do not want to miss out. And every single day I do Hot Wheel races on my 6-lane raceway. I have it kind of extended out as well. So every day I have videos go live as YouTube shorts. So definitely subscribe because you do not want to miss out on everything I have here on this channel. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.